umsakazo Music Gardens FM Channel 33 Nobombele umkenenezo umphefumulo kumhla ka-16 January 2026 isikhathi 5:33 injani kodwa ekuseni sibonga uNkulunkulu esivusile sibonga uNkulunkulu esiphe usuku olusha olusitshelayo ukuthi impilo zethu zisane purpose uNkulunkulu shuthi usasigcinile for iglory yakhe ukuthi sikhazimulise kumusa ukubona usuku kumusa ukuthi ube la namhlanje mfanele njalo lokho sik-acknowledge ngoba kusitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu usanecebo ngeimpilo zethu sengishilo nje very important but niyaphila ekseni yazi ukuthi fanele abantu bavuke baprepare abantwana bayesikoleni abanye bayasebenza abanye kunezinto efanele bazenze ama-meetings kumabhizinisi but niyaphila kodwa niyaphila emakhaya America niyaphila kodwa America niyaphila Asia niyaphila kodwa Europe Africa ni right nonke siyabonga uNkulunkulu siphinde wasipha amandla ukuthi sumemezele le message simemezele emhlabeni wonke ukuthi sesifikile isikhathi sokuthi umuntu akhanye abuse njengoba ayidaliwe kubalekile kakhulu ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sidaliwe ngokwe-purpose sidaliwe ngokwecebo elikhulu ngeimpilo zethu uNkulunkulu akasenzanga ngephutha asikho ngephutha la emhlabeni but we are here because uNkulunkulu wakhetha thina futhi akekho umuntu omunye uNkulunkulu engamkhetha ngaphandle kwakho ukuthi azodlala le role njoba deke sisifanise nokuthi lento ifana nomdlalo but ophilayo ukuthi umbhali womdlalo noma imovie ufike abe ne-idea yento ukuthi okay ngifuna ukuveza uthando kubantu kodwa ke ngenze this thing imovie ezoveza lento engifuna ukuthi iveze so then you draw istructure sayo imovie bese phinde futhi adwebe ama-characters abantu akuyibona abazodlala lo mdlalo ayenza azafika ekugcineni akuthiwa the end so and then ke bese kuyima efuna abantu abazoba good for lamaphathi abazowadlala so noNkulunkulu wenze njalo but ukuthi ke sikwi-living story a life story so kodwa nathi sidlala ama-character angafani kule story and umuntu okuyena oyi-starring kule movie umoya oyingcwele kuwumoya kaNkulunkulu okuwona ophakathi kithi okuyena osinqobelayo ohlala kuze kube sekugcineni but thina sikhona it's amazing ukuthi ngendlela eyakhiwe ngayo le movie just ukusho ngenye indlela ukuthi ihlukile ngoba ngakuthiwa wonke umuntu kule structure uNkulunkulu kule movie actually wonke umuntu une role yakhe une race yakhe awi comparison omunye so this kind of movie ifana nokuthi wonke umuntu is starring kuyo you are starring in your movie yes you've got your own mandate engafani neyomunye ingabukeka ngathi kanti ayifani. Sisho sithi izinto zibukeke yifani, imoto kodwa azifani, different, zihlukile kwey'njini zani, ama-makes akhona, so nathi sikanjalo. Ingakho kubalulekile ukuthi uNkulunkulu umlalele ukuze ukwazi ukuhamba kwi-race yakho. Yasinilalele umsakazo Izigamini ze-FM Channel 23 noBombele, umkenenezo womphefumulo, la sithi khona izwi ngaba ngumuntu. Siyabonga Nkosi yami ukuthi usiphile futhi ukuhlakanipha okumangalisayo, okusenza ukuthi sikwazi ukulibona izwi lakho. Njengoba kade sikhulumile izolo, uNkulunkulu wambulile impela indaba yokuthi kufanele sidile nesiqalo somuntu. Umuntu athi hamba kule journey yokubusa kodwa azi ukuthi into iqalephi, so that engaba ne-problem uma ehlangabezana nezinto ezama-challenges discourageayo, azi ukuthi lezi zinto zayibhaliwe, ilotshiwe kwi-movie yakho, ukuthi ngesikhathi uhlangana nobani kulesikhathi uhlangana nobani. So ikunqoba kwethu-ke kule journey ukwazi kakhulu lokho, and nokwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu nathi futhi till the end, because he is the one who made the movie. Uyazi ukuthi iphela kanjani, and it's for his glory. Umuntu owenza imovie actually usukazi ukuthi izophela kanjani imovie, and uyena who makes it happen. But-ke wena usuyibukisa abanye abantu, kube ngathi naye akayazi, and people bajabule abone impilo zabantu eshintsha ngayo. So noNkulunkulu kanjalo ukuthi as we play ama-parts ethu, and abanye uma bebona, they give glory to God. So it's very important ukuthi sidlale ama-parts ethu njengoba si-designiwe according to the script. Yes, sidlale according to the script esibhaliwe umnikazi wale story. Nalele umsakazo omusha sham, Izigamini ze-FM Channel 23 noBombele, umkenenezo wemphefumulo. Sithi how great is our God. Even namhlanje kumhla ka-16 January 2026. Oh my God, sithi umkhulu Nkosi, umkhulu, akekho linganisa nawe. Ufanele udumo, izibongo kungezakho. Yes, siyabonga. Ake siqhubeke nesifundo sethu, because nje ikona esifanele sidile nakho, ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi izinto kaNkulunkulu zikhona la iqala khona, and ziqala kuye, singakaba khona thina. Njengoba esho lapha kuJeremiah chapter 1 uthi ngakwazi, hey my God, ngingakakubumbi, ngaqeda ngawe ngingakakubumbi. So impilo yethu iqala lapho ukuthi uNkulunkulu usazi before even asifome, and then ungabheka-ke ukuthi ubuke nje nisho kuJesu ukuthi as ayazi ukuthi i-idea noma i-idea ukuthi azizale emhlabeni, yonke lento yenzeka kuJesu, he knew about ukuthi it's gonna happen. So nokubulawa kwey'ngane ngenxa yokuthi kufanele kubulawe uJesu, and kwafanele ukuthi ngoba uyayazi ukuthi umuntu wayephethe icebo, izwi, so kwafanele ukuthi liprotecteke. That's what we mean ukuthi when you are doing izwi, or you are following igama likaJesu noma izwi likaNkulunkulu, i-protection is guaranteed. uNkulunkulu engakukhipha emabhubesini abangazi ukuthi uphume kanjani, because ngokwe-script wena you survived. You survived ngokwe-script. So ayikho into ezokwazi ukubulala, but people will be interested to see you rising. People will be interested even in nature to see you conquering through knowledge of God and acknowledging i-presence kaNkulunkulu empilweni yakho. Okay, right now I want us to look at Moses also, because ngishilo ngathi sokhuluma ngalamadoda ukuthi ukuqala kwawo ukuhamba ijeni ahambe kanjani, so that's ofunda nathi ukuthi amajeni ethu akhona la kuqala khona. Siyazi ukuthi kunendoda yakuthiwa uMoses amawungazi eyazalwa yaka-Israyeli. Engingisho ukuthi mina u-Israyeli usho ukuthi okhethiweyo, isizwe sikaNkulunkulu, which means umuntu odaliwe okhethiweyo ukufika la emhlabeni. That means you were chosen, njenge sperm from umuntu wesilisa uma singena kwesifazane, ukuthi imntwana ukhethwa uNkulunkulu from that seed ukuthi kube uyena ozalwayo. So akekho umuntu la emhlabeni ongakhethiwe. Uma sibona uNkulunkulu eveza izizwe ethi laba abakhethiweyo, it's a sign, it's a message that is telling us that sila emhlabeni ngoba sikhethiwe. Akekho umuntu ofika la emhlabeni nje ukuthi azoba isibukeli or ancoma abanye yena kungenzeki lutho. We are called, we are chosen. So ngifuna masilifunde iBhayibheli silifunde singalihlukaniseli abanye abantu abathize, kodwa sibabuke labantu as i-sign ukuthi this is what is happening kwi-humankind. Ngoba uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu womuntu, akayena uNkulunkulu wesizwe esithize or uhlanga oluthize, but uNkulunkulu womuntu ngoba umuntu udalwe nguye. So ingakho ngithi mina akekho umuntu la emhlabeni engakhethiwe. Une-role okufanele uyidlale, a living role kulo mhlaba. So sibuka lana ukuthi impilo kaMoses was not easy even at the beginning. Okusho ukuthi vele lezinto kaNkulunkulu uma izomanifesta even before umuntu azalwe, kuyaqala ama-kingdoms ngoba suke se-announcile uNkulunkulu. Phela uNkulunkulu ufela akufome, abe ne-idea ngawe, aku-create kwi-spirit, and then bese ku-announcer kwi-universe la kwi-physical dimension ukuthi someone is coming, okanje. So ziyaqala-ke izimpi zenzeke, utholukuthi even kuma-parents kuyaxatshanwa or kwenzeka izinto nje ezi-strange because of the child ezayo. And okusho ukuthi sisuke sinobizo olukhulu lemhlabeni ngoba sizalwa phela ukuthi fanele silethe ubukhosi. That's the main reason. So now sibuka lana ukuthi abantwana Israel baya eGibhithe, bebancane ngokwenamba, and baba baningi babe khona ngenxa yendlala, and uNkulunkulu ke wase bandisa babaningi in such a way ukuthi they extremely became powerful and filled the land. So isizwe saseGibhithe sagcwala ngenxa yabo. Thiwa ke eventually a new king, kulapho Exodus chapter 1 from verse 8 now, eventually a new king came to power in Egypt who knew nothing about Joseph or what he had done. He said to his people, "Look, the people of Israel now outnumber us and are stronger than we are. We must make a plan to keep them from growing even more. If we don't, if war breaks out, they will join our enemies and fight against us. Then they will escape from the country." You know, so ngesikhathi sika Joseph kuyena owayeseyigovernor ngenxa yachaza amaphupho eGibhithe, and so washona kuJoseph. Actually, I mean, amalokhuzana inkosi eyayimazi uJoseph, sorry, yashona kwavuka entsha eyayingamazi uJoseph okuyena oyephethe iphupho likaNkulunkulu ngesizwe. Kwakuyisymbol ukuthi everyone has a dream. uNkulunkulu has put a dream to every one of us. Ngami mhlawumbe umunye akaliboni kodwa by design you have a dream, that's why you're here. So it's very important to understand ukuthi you're carrying a dream, you are carrying so much power, you're carrying life, you're carrying a generation that will glorify God. You know, it's very important to tap into that dream. So kuthiwa ke yasivuka lenkosi yayisiqala manje yathi labantu basebaningi nathi akisebagqilaze, and then they started into ekuthiwa ubugqila, baqala benza ama-slaves. Now abantwana Israeli babefike kahle, now sebeyagqilazwa, and uyayibona lento ukuthi ihambe ifike la kuthiwa ke uma begqilazwa babevele bande kakhulu. Let me check that verse, yayimangaza kakhulu. So from verse 11, it's so the Egyptians made the Israelite their slaves. They appointed brutal slave drivers over them, hoping to wear them out down with crushing labor. So they wanted ukuthi babagqilaze and ngemisebenzi so that bengeke banamandla. So they forced them to build the cities of Pithom and Ramesses as supply centers for the king. Yabo babenzisa izinto ezibukhulu, but the more the Egyptians oppressed them, the more the Israelites multiplied and spread, the more alarmed the Egyptians became. So bakuthi mabethi bayabahlukumeza, but bavele bande kakhulu. Niyalibona iphupho ukuthi uNkulunkulu mayifaka into kuwe, into mayifakiwe kuwena, hey my daughter, ayibulaleki, kunalokho vele ihande kakhulu. So ingakho sithi don't be afraid, ningesabi. Lokho akufake kuwe uNkulunkulu kukhulu, akukho unganqoba kona ngoba kuUNkulunkulu on its own. It's very important namhlanje kwi-morning drive nilalela music Gavins FM, umsakazo musha uhlala umusha njalo. My God, channel 33 noBompele, umkenenezo womphefumulo. Sithi hide me Lord in your wings of love, oh mighty God. Sinlalela music Gavins FM channel 33 with Bompele and the sound for your soul, umkenenezo womphefumulo. La sithi khona umuntu wabanga ulizwi, ulizwi waba ngumuntu. Oh God, yes. So ilokho nje kade ngifuna ukukuveza nje as an intro about indaba kaMose, ngoba siyakuyena ntambama I think sokhuluma ngakho ngoMose ke manje sesimdlala, but bengifuna siveze iphupho nje khosi uJoseph umele iphupho la uNkulunkulu ekhuluma khona nomuntu ukuthi ngikubekela indawo, ungasuki kuyo, uhambe uyobusa kuyo, but leli phupho lizokuhambisa eindaweni ezinzima, but ekugcineni uzorise noma kuthiwa bezama ukuthi baku-silence, but ngenxa ukuthi likhulu leli phupho uyakwazi ukuthi uthola i-victory noma unqobe. Yes, yeah, bekuyilokho namhlanje kuseni nithi vukani nikhanye, vukani nibe ukukhanya ezweni, nibe intaba ende ebonakalayo ebusayo ngothando, intaba ebusayo ngokulunga. Ibe yidlelo, sibe yikho konke uNkulunkulu asidizayinele ukuthi sibe yikho. Siyazi ukuthi ngaphandle kukaNkulunkulu we cannot do anything, ngaphandle kwalo moya uNkulunkulu awufake kithi ngeke sibe yilutho. So sithi nje iba nosuku oluhle olukhanyayo, oluhle, olulungile, nibe successful kukho konke enikwenzayo. Nabantwana bakwazi ukuyithola as babuya esikoleni, bakwazi ukufumana iy'nhloso zabo uNkulunkulu ayifakile kubo. So God bless you. I'm gonna see you ntambama namhlanje kwi-afternoon drive. Sithi rise and shine. God bless you.